Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create logo on fitness niche. So basically we make a fitness logo. So our dummy company name is Fitness Freak, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So you can target offline markets, or you can go to google.com and search websites related to fitness and ask them about your service, and they will surely hire you. You can go to social media pages and ask them about your service. So the opportunities are limitless. And let's go to Canva. And so if you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. It's easy to learn. And if you want to learn complete Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I completely upload the playlist which is called Canva designing course, so you can learn from there. And after watching the playlist, I will surely say that you know everything about Canva. So let's get started towards our video. So I click on create a design. Here I search for the logo. So the most popular format is 500 by 500, so I click on this. It is loading. It's basically depend upon the internet speed. So first of all, we make a fitness logo. So the color should be this background color. After that, fitness. Let's see what we got. And I think this one is good, so I put it here. After that I go to text, and here I write fitness freak, and let's change the font style. Yeah, it's look good. And now I want to change the background color. Yeah, it's look great. Yeah, it's look good. So this is our logo. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.